The retirement tipping point experience is a personal experience that occurs at a specific point in time when some situation or event in your workplace or in your life motivates you to start to seriously consider retirement. This diagram illustrates the process from experiencing a retirement tipping point to achieving a retirement mindset. It begins with a change that causes you to think about the option of retiring. You then begin to develop your justification to retire. This justification usually begins by you determining if you have the finances to afford to retire. Once you have developed this justification to retire, you seek to validate this justification with close family members and your financial advisor. Once your justification to retire is validated and you have made the decision to retire, you often develop consciously or unconsciously a retirement mindset. Typically, most people think that money is the primary motivator for someone to consider retirement, but research indicates that the decision to retire is very personal and often not influenced by money, but by many other factors. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book, How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.